To use the USB feature, you will need to purchase a USB cable for your printer. Now plug your USB cable into the printer. Plug the other end into your computer. Go to kyocera.documentsolutions.us. Look for support across the top of the page and select it. Select Download Center. From the Choose an Option, select Kyocera M2640idw printer. Select Drivers and then select KX Driver and press the blue arrow for download. Wait for the KX Driver to download. After downloading the KX Driver for Windows, look in your Download folder for this file with today's date on it. Double-click the file. The program will now begin the installation process. It will take a couple of minutes before the program displays the product library screen. The Kyocera product library notice will appear. Select Accept to continue. The tabbed information screen will appear. Click OK when you've read the tabs. Select Express Install. Wait for the Kyocera M2640 printer to appear in the list. If you see more than one listing for your printer, select the one with USB. In the lower part of the screen, select the features you would like to use. First is the KX Driver. Always select it. Second are fonts, which adds additional printable characters for your computer. And thirdly is the status monitor. Select it if your printer is in another room or a distance away from the computer. If it's in the same room as the computer, uncheck it. Status monitor pops up printer information on your PC screen. If you'd like to participate in Kyocera data collection, select Yes. If not, select No. Only technical information on machine operations is collected. No personal information is ever requested. The features you selected will be installed. The next screen will show 4 options. The first is to print a test page after installation. The second is to print on both sides of the paper for every print job in order to save paper. If you prefer to print on one side, make sure this button is unchecked. The third is Enable Event Notification, and the fourth is Quick Print tab. This will show you common functions easily accessible from the print page. Make sure this is checked if you want this feature. Press Finish. Your printer drivers are now installed.